My name is Deanna Brown, and I'm the Youth Environmental Justice Policy and Programs Director for Young, Gifted, and Green.
I'm Dr. Kent Key. I am the founder and director of the Flint Public Health Youth Academy.
Good afternoon. My name is Sarah Bailey, and I am the administrator for the Flint Public Health Youth Academy.
So actually this summer camp started in 2017 was when we launched the first summer camp as the Flint Public Health Youth Academy. We partnered with Young, Gifted, and Green, and we've been doing a partnership of the summer camp since that time. So it was important for me to create opportunities for young people to, one, be exposed to the field of public health, understand the social determinants of health, and more importantly, because they were youth from the Flint area, understand the importance of environmental justice.
So who can tell me what public health is? Public health is what? What's that definition? The science and what? The science and art of preventing disease, promoting health, and prolonging life.
Cities like Flint, communities like Flint can take advantage of programs like our summer camp so that they can start educating their young people on those inequities and positioning those young people to make change, whether it's through policy advocacy, whether it's through science and research, or whether, like in my field, in being in the medical school at MSU.
My name is Fallon Samuels. I'm a rising senior and I'm 16 years old. I joined this camp because I think it's important to be involved in your community and to learn about ways that you can live a healthier lifestyle. Something that surprised me about energy was the many different kinds of energy that there is and how much it actually impacts our community and the ways that some places are being negatively affected by bad uses of energy.
I wanted to join this camp because I wanted to learn about something new, and I feel like public health is a topic that surprised me that I would never pick before. I think it's important for young people to care about the environment because young people are the future and we shape what happens to our future families and what happens to us and our current families now.
It's extremely important that young people begin to understand the importance of their environment, the importance of taking care of their environment and advocating for the environment. And they can't do that if they don't understand how the environment impacts them and their daily lives.
My experience has been amazing. I have been able to meet multiple different people from different environments who kind of brought out the reality in the subjects. What I learned this week connects to my own life because of all the pollutants that are in the air, and I have recently, I've grown up with asthma, and knowing that certain things can make it worse or even cause it brought my awareness into my surroundings.
My name is Dr. Richard Zeki, and I am an engineering contractor for the government. To me, I think it's really important to share the importance of what it means to have a clean environment and a sustainable environment for our young people. And really the way you're going to get that information is to hear from those who are older than them, who have the experience about why that's important. I also believe that it's really important to provide and give back to the generation before us, to educate them on the knowledge that us more seasoned people have developed. And so for me, being able to participate in this Young, Gifted, and Green camp is just a really great blessing. I've been able to share my knowledge and insights with the students, and I hope that they take some of the knowledge that I shared and take that back to their communities and their homes and make an impact on just a more sustainable environment.
My name is Seema, I'm 17 years old, and today we're doing my house audit.
My name is Shula, I'm from Flint, and I think we're doing an energy audit today.
In terms of the energy audits, the things that I remember are the uninsulated attics and leaky windows and drafts from open doors that could affect like other parts of the house and how much energy is being used.
It's kind of notorious for like usually on this level. It's like cool and stuff, but the moment you start walking up the stairs, you feel like the heat difference, like you're in a tropical country or something.
That's my room, and the top window doesn't close all the way.
Okay, gotcha.
But not that one, this one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, so the top window,
Yeah.
I think it's down right now.
Okay.
Excuse past here. Yeah, it doesn't, there's always like that gap right there.
Oh, right here? Yeah.
That won't close, and so the air in my room is very dry and cold.
Man, that's points, bro.
I really hope they took how important policy is from this week. I know our focus was on energy democracy, but I really stressed the importance of voting during my policy session with the youth, and stressed how important midterm elections are and how our representatives are elected every 2 years, and how midterm elections are essentially more important than the presidential elections.
I am very grateful and that my children have access to this program. I hope that the word could get out more, because sometimes a lot of the issues are things are not utilized because they're not known about. I was blessed enough to have known about this program and to have my children in it, and it is amazing to see the growth in children. If you catch them at 9th grade or 8th grade, and by the time that they are in 11th grade, they could be running the city council effectively, wonderfully.
I thought it was awesome to have the opportunity to meet people, because we thought about things that I haven't really thought about before, and from practically every single angle. Everyone's from different backgrounds, so you got to get a lot of different perspectives from everyone. They have a lot more power than you think they do. Like, they see things that other people don't see, like in your work, and you don't have time to be like outside. Like, young people, like, they have so much time in the world, they got so many opinions that I think need to be voiced, and I'm not sure they get a lot of opportunity to do so.
After this camp, something I want to do differently is like, cause I have like a lot of devices, so like when I'm asleep, I like to keep them like plugged in, like all night and all day, and then when I'm sleeping, I like to like watch TV, and I fall asleep with the TV on, and that can like mess up my sleeping schedules and stuff.
Don't give up on our youth. Invest in the youth. They are not the leaders of tomorrow, they are the leaders today. And you need to invest in them. When you don't invest in the youth, then you have nothing to look forward to. Some of these kids are destined for greatness, but you have to put some effort into it. And know that just because they're young doesn't mean they don't have an opinion. And just because they're young doesn't mean that they can't be a leader. They can lead, and they can give you an opinion. And they have some great ideas on how to resolve some of the issues that we face.
Your money is well spent. The funds that you have put in this has been a positive investment in the future. The children, if they weren't here, they could be scrolling on social media, taking, selfie pics, or, scrolling in under anonymity, making possible comments against this person and that person. They could be engaged in online bullying, or an array of other things, anything that has to do with immediate self-gratification. But these kids you have given them a safe space to engage in meaningful dialogue with other individuals, which is actually going to help them create stronger relationships and then create a stronger society by having this. This is not something, unfortunately, that they get in school. And so I'm very appreciative of this program.